Every AI demo looks flawless. 4 clean steps, perfect handoff, no surprises. Then a real user does something the demo never tested. They change their mind. Here's the moment it breaks. The chain only knows how to move one direction, forward. There is no version of this architecture that knows how to go back. So what actually fixes this? Not a smarter prompt, a different shape entirely, one built to loop, branch, and revisit its own work on command. Strip away the buzzwords, and a graph is simple. Nodes are just functions. Edges are just decisions about which function runs next. Here's the part almost everyone misses. Every node reads from and writes to the exact same object, one shared memory that survives the entire run. In code, it's almost boring. A typed state class, nodes registered by name, edges wired between them, 4 lines, and the shape is already alive. Not every edge is fixed in advance. A conditional edge looks at the state in real time and decides, on the spot, where execution goes next. That same trick lets a node call itself again and again. The graph loops on one task until something in the state finally says it's done. So here's the payoff. When a user changes their mind at step 4, the graph just routes backward. The one move a linear chain was never built to make.
And it's not just routing backward blindly. The state object carries a running record of everything that already happened. A memory a linear chain simply doesn't keep.
Put them side by side and the difference is obvious. One architecture forgets the shape of the conversation. The other keeps a bulletproof record of exactly what happened. Picture it for real. A user says, actually, change the budget at step 4. The graph jumps straight back to the budget node, updates it, and carries on. The router itself is nothing exotic, just a function. It checks one value in the state and hands back the name of whatever node should run next. Wire that router in as a conditional edge, and suddenly your graph can send work back to planning, or forward to done. Same graph, both directions.
That's the real fix. Not a smarter model, just a graph that remembers, loops, and adapts, instead of only moving forward. Subscribe for the rest of the series.